Hi YouTube family, welcome back to my vlog, and for those who are new here, welcome. I'm so happy you're here, and please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can join me on all my adventures. Today we're at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa, a place that holds such a special place in my heart. I've been coming here ever since I was little with my parents, and it's filled with so many beautiful memories. I even stayed here when I got engaged to my husband, so this resort will always be part of my love story. Inspired by the charm of 1800 Saratoga Springs, New York, the resort's theme celebrates horse racing history, complete with elegant equestrian touches, jockey statues, and carriage house architecture. Just across the water from Disney Springs, it feels like stepping into a dreamy escape, pastel villas, lush gardens, and that calm, breezy atmosphere that makes time slow down. From sunrise walks along the lake to cozy evenings under lantern lights, this resort is pure magic to me. When you first arrive at the resort, you'll be greeted by the main building, the Carriage House. This stunning lobby has soaring high ceilings and is filled with horse racing details that instantly set the tone for the resort's elegant equestrian theme. The Carriage House isn't just the lobby, it's the heart of the resort, directly connected to the quick service dining spot and the resort shop, making it a perfect place to start your stay. For this trip, we stayed in a deluxe studio. As soon as you enter the room, there's like a kitchenette on the left side, and then if you go straight, it's the main area where you have a queen size bed and also a pull down Murphy bed. And as soon as you enter, you'll be able to see the beautiful decor that ties beautifully with the theme of horse racing. As you can see, it has a beautiful headboard, and then it has like the Murphy bed, which I'm going to show you right now. If you pull it down, and there's some Disney artwork in the back, so that's really nice for kids. So if you're not using the Murphy bed, there's the beautiful green couch, and then there's like a table, and also there's like a dresser right under the TV, so you see the welcome sign. And then these dressers have many drawers, and it has a lot of space, so yeah, it'll be perfect for your family. You can keep a lot of stuff, and there's also charging ports on the side, so that's quite nice. And then right next to the bed, you'll also find your Hey Disney device. You can find that in every Disney resort, and yeah. As I mentioned earlier, when you enter, on the left side is the kitchenette. It has a microwave, there's a sink, there's a coffee maker, a refrigerator, more like a beverage cooler. So if you have little kids, this is really helpful, because you have the sink and then the microwave. If you want to warm up something, that's perfect. And then right opposite is the sink. So basically it doesn't have a door, so there's a sink, and on the left side is a closet where there's more space. There's extra pillows and blankets, a safe, and also an ironing board. So that's nice. This like room has a lot of space, and it's really beautiful. And then on the right side is the main bathroom area, where they have a toilet, and they have like a tub with a sliding door, and beautiful shower with beautiful tiles, and obviously they give like the shampoo, soap, and body wash. So this is in the morning. We did not have a balcony because we were on the first floor, so it was like a walkout area, and we were facing the woods, which was pretty nice and really peaceful. And it was such a relaxing view to wake up to before heading to the parks. So that was really, really nice. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it looks during the daytime, because I already showed you guys what it looks like at nighttime, because that's when we arrived. So the bed is a little messy here. Also, I wanted to mention, look at the beautiful headboard. It ties in beautifully with the theme. So I really like the headboard. And then as you can see, this little bench is also really nice, and the mirror. And I loved these three artwork. Like, it was so cute. We had the horse and the helmet with the Mickey ears. I thought that was super cute. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. So this brings us to the end of today's video. But before I wrap things up, I wanted to show you when you walk towards the main building, you'll pass some of the buildings where guests can do laundry, and you'll also find the bus stops that take you all around Walt Disney World. This resort is not only beautiful and peaceful, but it also one of only 2 Disney resorts that has its very own full-service spa. From the tranquil atmosphere to the stunning theming, Saratoga Springs will always have a special place in my heart. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, and I truly hope you'll be able to make magical memories here just like me and my family have. So see you in our next video. Bye!